What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Kobe Sneaks. Today we are looking at the latest from Nike and Travis Scott. This is the Travis Scott Jordan 6. Now, I apologize for two things right off the bat. Number one, this is not the Travis Scott Jordan 6 box. My pair of Jordan 6s is already sold. It is somewhere else in someone else's house. This is a regular Nike box, just as a prop. Number two, these have been out for about 2 weeks now, but I am just now getting around to the review of these shoes, maybe 3 weeks. Wow, I'm slow. Anyways, these have been out for quite a while, but I am just now getting around to making the review for all of you guys. I do have some footage of the shoes when I did have them, but like I said before, my pair is already sold. In any event, let's get back to the review. Now, Nike and Travis Scott do have a growing relationship with a bunch of different silhouettes, including the Air Force 1, the Jordan 1, the Jordan 4, and now the Jordan 6. Oh, do not forget the Jordan 1 low, but whatever. Now the Jordan 6. Right off the bat, the most striking feature is the color of these shoes, which is very utilitarian and military-like. It is done in this military olive green suede finish with matching olive green laces. Speaking of the laces, we do have that Jordan brand logo done on a black woven label with a red Jordan brand logo. And then also in red accenting the laces is that push stopper thing that says Cactus Jack actually on that little red plastic thing. Again, it's those small details that really make this shoe a special collaborative piece. On the back of the shoe, we do have a hard plastic TPU heel tab done in a matching olive green and red finish. And then underneath that, on the left shoe, we do have a Nike Air branding done in a red finish. And on the right shoe, again done in red, the Cactus Jack logo. Now, my favorite part about this Jordan 6, in true Travis Scott style, just like we saw on the Jordan 1, we do have a stash pocket on the lateral side of both the left and the right shoe. And that is done in a matching olive green finish, but in a canvas material with a button closure. The midsole of these shoes is also quite interesting. It is done in a semi-translucent glow-in-the-dark finish. Unfortunately, I did not have any glow-in-the-dark video or pictures of the outsole that I took, but here are some examples. And then also complementing that translucent finish on the midsole is a black finish as well. Both the black and the semi-translucent midsole go onto the outsole where it is met with a red Jordan brand logo. Now, this shoe did release on October the 11th, 2019 up here in Canada and in the US, and they did retail for a price of $250 US, or about $330, I believe, Canadian. That is not cheap for a pair of shoes, not since the Jordan 3s, the JTH beige ones, have I seen such an increase in price of a normal silhouette Jordan. But nonetheless, this is a collaborative piece with Travis Scott, so I kind of understand where the price premium is coming from. This is actually my favorite Travis Scott collaborative piece with Nike so far out of all of the shoes that he has done, with a close second being the Jordan 1 High. But I want to hear from all of you guys, so let me know down in the comments below what you think the best Travis Scott Nike shoe is thus far. So, that pretty much wraps up this video. Hope you guys like it. If you do, you'll probably like my other videos as well. So do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And do not forget to comment down below what you want to see more of and what you want to see less of. I'd love to hear your feedback. And I just love hearing things from you guys. I love engaging with this community that we've built thus far. Anyways, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.